So, welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and check this out, we are outside, and if you can see that thing up there, that big glowy thing, that's the sun. And yeah, so last time we were on the show it was like -18. Today it's around +10. So like in 2 weeks we've gone from deep winter to glorious sunshine, and all the snow has disappeared. So let's get going then. What we got today, we've got a Volvo. Right, now you're thinking, what's so special about a Volvo? Well, this Volvo actually is quite special because it looks fabulous for a start, and also it's been imported to Sweden from the United States of America. It's got a load of special bits on it, but I'm going to let Sean cover all of that stuff, but I'm going to just take it for a little spin. So sounds lovely. So let's see what this Volvo can do, eh? Back on Swedish ground. Right, 4-speed gearbox, and yeah, loads of grunt. You know, I don't know that much about the car other than it just looks great, so it'll be interesting to find out from Sean. Yeah, all the little bits and pieces. All right, let's see if we can get it in reverse even. That looks like it's in reverse, but it doesn't seem to. All right, maybe you've got to pull that up, push that down. Ah, there you go. Reverse. Amateur. I mean, this car it's got a lot of modifications on it. Sean's got all the details, but I like it. I really like what they've done to this car. It looks fabulous, drives really well as well, and you know, just all the nice touches. They haven't overdone this, but it really does make this car look a little bit special. Even here in Sweden, this is a really, really nice car. But don't take my word for it. Let's take it to the man with the plan. So here we are with Sean, and here we are with the Volvo. All right, Sean, what is this then?
Okay, this is a rare car. It was never sold in Europe. It was only sold in the US. It's a Volvo 242 Turbo. So European spec was 244 4-door and 245 wagon. So this was only sold in the States, I think, between about 81 to 83, 2 years.
Okay.
It was like a direct competition to the Saab Turbo.
Right.
So it's only US.
What makes the US version so different from the Swedish version, though? Is there any things that mark that out?
Not really. Apart from it was only sold in the US. I mean, you can always tell the US sold cars because they've got the square lights.
That's right, yeah. I like them, you know. I think it looks a lot nicer, actually.
And this was owned by a mechanic in California for 20 years, and it won, I think, some Volvo concourse, something in California.
Right. How long has it been in Sweden then, back?
It came to Sweden around 2012. It's been owned by a Volvo collector ever since.
Right.
And it's been featured, you know, this is the moose here is a cool thing to have in the US. In Sweden, it's a little bit more like boy racer-ish.
Yeah, but the Germans like that as well, don't they?
Yeah. So, and it's pretty spec'd, not really standard as such. It's got uprated alloy wheels on it.
Yeah.
It's been lowered about 5 millimeters.
Nice.
It's got, I think it's got S70R brake calipers and brakes.
Nice. So there's no upgrades on the engine side of it?
No, it's a 2.1 turbo.
All right, should we have a look at that then, shall we? Okay, nice.
So it's really well kept, good condition, and black on black, black on black and black.
Very nice. And you don't know what the mileage is on it or anything like that, no?
I think it's done about 140,000 kilometres.
Okay. Right, but it's when we look inside though, that's when things start to get a bit more interesting, should we say.
Yeah, you can see inside it's like Alcantara seats.
Kind of like buckety style
Sport seats, yeah.
Really nice and comfortable.
This has obviously got a sunroof on it.
Right.
It's a manual sunroof.
I noticed it's four gears, yeah?
Yeah, 4-speed with it. Overdrive here.
Aha.
So you got.
I mean, was that familiar with all the cars at this time in Sweden as well, yeah?
So got the overdrive
It's
button.
really nice in there, isn't it? It's
very
like
clean and fresh.
nice mats and carpeted, and the seats are great front and back. And the dash as well, that looks a little bit special. Let me get round there.
It's got the white dials.
Now that's a really nice touch, I think.
You got the speed. You can see you got the dials for the turbo. You got the clock.
There's a boost. Yeah, I see. There's a boost dial. Yeah.
Oil.
Is that familiar with all Volvos as well?
Yeah,
That boost dial. Yeah?
boost.
All right. And that steering wheel is lovely, isn't it?
It's been done really nicely. That's why you won so many awards with it.
All right. So this car's gone though, isn't it?
Yeah, this has been sold, but the customer wanted to document it before he drove it home. So.
Right.
And as it's a rare Volvo,
Yeah.
I think it's worthwhile to show the
And
Volvo community.
And it really drives nicely.
Yep.
All right, so there you have it. Volvo, all the way from the United States of America.
As they say in the States, turbo brick.
And a good one.
Yep, a nice one.
Right, so thanks for checking out the show as usual. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden
Live.